Astoci Kids Got Talent presented by Miss Lydia
and Mr. Derrick Sonny.
My brother and I are going to present a poem about Astoci Kids, and coronavirus. 2020, dang, the world has changed.
Really? What happened?
Coronavirus! From China to Italy, from Italy to Europe, from Europe to United States.
Bang, 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 coronavirus!
Astoci has shut down. Schools have been closed. The whole world has shut down.
This is serious. Coronavirus against the world.
Every Astoci houses has been closed.
Bang!
All our friends has been quarantined.
Bang! Coronavirus is in the city.
Now what do?
You tell me, Lydia.
Okay, first we need to wash our hands all the time. Good job. We need to wear a face mask all the time. Good job. Third, we need to stay 6 feet apart all the time. 6 feet apart, Diddy. Please go away the coronavirus. We need our friends back. We need our school back. We need our playground back. Please, coronavirus. Astoci end of year celebration has been canceled.
Coronavirus!
The Go Independence Day celebration has been canceled.
Coronavirus!
Astoci Women Yearly Meeting has been canceled.
Coronavirus!
4th of July annual picnic has been canceled.
Coronavirus!
Damaje graduation party has been canceled.
Coronavirus!
Our President Dr. Bubble graduation party has been canceled.
Coronavirus!
Even our little brother Patrick has to stay home all the time. Is Astoci General Assembly still possible?
How do I know, Lydia? Ask coronavirus.
Is Astoci Men Yearly Meeting still possible?
I don't know, Lydia. Ask coronavirus.
But coronavirus or not, we Astoci kids always have fun. Yay! Thanks again to Astoci leaders we have. Astoci Kids Got Talent 2020. We